I'm Martha Higdon from quiltingbymartha.com. I'm also a national educator with Handy Quilter, and I want to show you some great templates today. So Handy Quilter has a Handy Quilter Hexie 3 template, and that's what we're going to start with first. As you can see, there's this slit over here. So what you want to do is you want to slide it in with your needle and your foot. Now, since I'm working with a template, I have my ruler base on and I have my Surefoot on because it works better with the rulers and the templates. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to center that in my block, and then I go needle up, needle down. I currently have 10 stitches per inch. I'm in precision, I am in regulated precision mode. And I have my, since I have Pro Stitcher, I have my gears not engaged so that I'm free motioning it. And then I am going to go around the template, moving my fingers as I move around the template, making sure I'm stopping at those points. Go all the way the template, and I'm right back to where I started from. Do a couple locking stitches. Now, I found this cool way if I just shift the hexagon template just a tad so it's going kind of at a different direction. You'll want to mess with it so that it's, well, I'll have to cut my threads. Thought I could go from it, but you can't. So you'll cut your threads, and then you'll take the template, and then you're going to off-center it. There we go. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go back, and you're going to pull up the thread. Okay. Pull up the thread. Remember, it's off-center just a tad, but it's still centered within the block. And then you do your few locking stitches. And then your fingers are moving with And then to remove it, you slide the template back out, and then you pull up your bobbin thread, you cut your threads, you have this off design, and then I like to use the HQ Handy Quilter Hexie 1.5 template, and I'd like to center the hexagon in the center. Again, the slit on the side, I slide it in, pull up my thread when I center my hexagon. Again, pulling up the thread, making sure it's centered, keeping my threads underneath there, doing my locking stitch, making sure I'm getting at each corner. Finish at the end, take it out, remove it through that way, pull up my bobbin thread. Not quite centered, but you get the idea. I love these new templates to do the hexagons. You can find these at your local Handy Quilter retailer or handyquilter.com. Happy quilting!